Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about how to show top n and bottom n in same view. So for this I will drag customer name in row shelf and click on add all members. Then I will drag sales in text. So I will make this in descending order. So this view is customer by sales. Now I will create a parameter to choose the number of rows dynamically to display top n and bottom n customers by sales. So click on this drop down and click on create parameter, and I will name this parameter as choose n. So data type is integer and I will select all, then click on OK. So click on this drop down and click on show parameter. Okay. So from this you can enter the number to display number of rows for top n and bottom n. So now I will create a calculated field and I will name it as top n and bottom n. So in this calculated field I will use this function rank. It returns the standard competition rank for the current row in the partition. So identical values are assigned an identical rank. You can use ascending or descending argument to specify ascending or descending order. The default order is descending. So in this rank function I will use sum of sales. Okay, and I will use the argument descending. So click OK. Now I will drag this top n and bottom n calculated field in column shelf. So the customer with the highest sales is ranked with 1 and the customer with the least sales is ranked with 793. So totally there are 793 customers. Now I will edit this calculation as, click on edit to edit this calculation. So I will edit this calculation as when rank sum of sales less than or equals to choose n, or when rank sum of sales, and I will give argument as ascending when it is less than or equals to parameter. So this calculation will limit the rows up to the number selected by the user. Click on OK and I will keep this calculated field in filter shelf. Then I will select true. Now I am going to enter the value 10. So it will display the top n customers by sales and the bottom 10 customers by sales. And if I enter 30, it will display the top 30 customers by sales and bottom 30 customers by sales. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.